Hey everybody, Pandi here of Pandi's Hair Candy and more. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome and thank you so much for taking the time to stop by and visit. I hope that you enjoy unboxing, product reviews, hauls, plus size fashion, fitness, trending topics, and more. Hence the name Pandi's Hair Candy and more. That is what you will find on this channel. I hope that you take a moment to browse through my wonderful playlist and find something in there that suits your fancy. I am working on building up my watch time hours, so I appreciate you taking a moment to come by and visit. Please don't forget to hit the like button, or as I like to say, blow dry on the like button for me. That way I know that you were here and I can properly address you and thank you for your support. Well, hello everyone. Pandi here of Pandi's Hair Candy and more. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. If you are already chat family with me, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in to another video. I am hopping on today with another quick Dollar Tree haul. If you have been over here rocking with me for any number of years, you already know I love a good sale and I love Dollar Tree. I was hurt when they closed the Dollar Trees in our area, but they have been reopening, and yes, they are now the $1.25 tree. But guess what? You can't pass up a good deal, and I love to go there and browse and see what they have and replenish household essentials. So that is what I'm going to be doing in today's video. If you have Dollar Tree in your areas, please let me know in the comments. Let me know what are your favorite items to pick up, what are your go-tos, what are things you absolutely won't get from the Dollar Tree, things like that. I'm always curious to hear from you. Also, I go between Dollar General and Dollar Tree. If I had a preference, Dollar Tree is my preferred. However, Dollar General is much closer. Like, I literally have two Dollar Generals 5 minutes away, whereas Dollar Tree is maybe 30 minutes away, but close to where I work. So neither here nor there. Today's video, we're gonna do a quick Dollar Tree haul. So I was in the area. I went to have my vehicle service this morning, and I thought, you know what, I'm over here, let me go ahead and grab some household essentials. And of course I didn't take a list, so I had to go off the dome with what I needed to replenish, and that's never a good thing because then you end up buying stuff you really don't need. But let's see what we got in this quick haul. So I am old school. I like to clean with bleach. I put bleach in my dishwater. I wipe stuff down with bleach. I put it in my spray bottles, and I'm just a bleach person. And y'all, Clorox bleach in my area is like $5 for a little size like this. So guess what? We getting some awesome bleach today from the Dollar Tree for $1.25. Okay? It still gets the job done. It still be having them white clothes white when you wash, okay? And it definitely makes them dishes sparkle because I like to hand wash my dishes. And I put a little bleach in with the dish soap. So yes, God, we picked up this awesome bleach, okay? Next item, we got us some palm olive because you know that palm olive cuts through that grease. And it was between this and Dawn. The Dawn bottle was a lot smaller, so I went with the palm olive, okay? Again, I am a hand washer, okay? Unless we just really got a lot or I'm just not feeling like it, then I will load the dishwasher. But for the most part, it's just me and my husband here, so I wash my dishes by hand, okay? Now, I love these things because if you have caked on foods in pots or pans, I like to let my dishes soak and get these good scouring pads out and just easily clean the grime and grease and then just toss these in the garbage. So you get 10 of these scouring pads for $1.25. Now, if you have been rocking with me for a minute, you already know I said moving here from Washington State, I don't understand what the deal is with the humidity and the mold, but I have to replace my shower curtains so freaking often. And I'll be darned if I be buying any expensive shower liners. No ma'am. So usually every time I go to the Dollar Tree, I grab one or two, sometimes three shower liners, because guess what? After about 3 months, I'm pulling them down and throwing them in the garbage. So instead of wasting money, I get these $1.25 liners, and then I can throw my actual shower curtain in the laundry, wash it, and put this new one up. I also noticed that the hooks were getting a little rust around them, so I also grabbed these little hooks for $1.25 as well. Okay, so those were the next two items we got in today's haul. Next, my husband goes through these things like crazy, and I'm not mad because I want him to have nice clean ears. Okay, so I picked up these Q-tips or cotton swabs. Okay, you get 300 for $1.25. Okay, next item, I just couldn't resist. Purple is my favorite color. This is more like a lavender, and I feel like the light may be really shining on it, so you may not see. This is super cute, guys. Oh, there it is. It says eyes, lips, and here it says face. So it's just a little storage container to put like your, I was thinking makeup brushes, pencils, lipsticks, whatever. But as you can see on the bottom, $1.25. So this was super cute. Something to put back here in my collection to organize my cosmetics. I thought that was so cute. And this is where you run into that getting stuff you really didn't intend on buying. And then the last two items, because last night I pulled ground beef out of the freezer and put it in the refrigerator to thaw out. And yesterday when I came home from work after getting my nails done, my husband was like, "What you cooking?" And I was like, "I ain't cooking nothing today." I was like, I know he ain't gonna let me get away with that for 2 days in a row. So I have never tried this from the Dollar Tree. I don't really buy a lot of food items from the Dollar Tree unless they're like dry foods or maybe canned goods. But I saw that they had John Morrell, which is a name brand, smoked sausage. So I got this for $1.25. So as you can see, you got 2 links in there, and it is John Morrell hot smoked sausage. So I'll cook that in the air fryer and slice it up. I already have ground beef. I already have spaghetti sauce. I couldn't find paste in there, so I may have to go to the store and get paste. Just depends. Sometimes we can make it without the paste, but it's not complete without the paste, I don't think. And this is the last item. We got this generic brand of spaghetti noodles. But do you really need the expensive spaghetti noodles? Or is the cook's hand gonna bless the pot and make the spaghetti do what it do? Okay, you're gonna pay $3.99 for them spaghetti pasta noodles, or you gonna pay that $1.25 and put your stank on it and make it do what it do. So I got these spaghetti noodles, and that, my friends, concludes this Dollar Tree haul. Once again, guys, I am your girl Pandi of Pandi's Hair, Candy, and More. Over here, for the most part, on this channel, I talk hair, both my love of natural hair as well as my love for wigs. As a former licensed cosmetologist, former beauty salon owner, current healthcare worker, mother, grandmother, wife, empty nester, I do a lot of self-care, skincare, motivational content on the channel, so there is definitely something here for everyone. Shout out to Friends with Super Channels. If you are here watching in the watch party, big salute to Geo and Friends with Super Channels. I want to thank y'all so much for being here and tuning in. If you have enjoyed the positive vibes, definitely blow dry on that like button, double tap on that notification bell, and subscribe for more uplifting content. Until the next time, guys, continue to stay safe, stay encouraged, and I will see you